Begin in mountain pose, toes touching, heels slightly apart. Take this time to center yourself. Lift up through your chest. Roll your shoulders down and back. Breathe. This warrior 1, 2, 3 sequence is designed to build strength, get your blood flowing, and be an energizing start to your day. Focus on your breath. Focus on your foundation and breathe. Getting ready. On your inhale, look up, reach your arms back, lift your chest high. On an exhale, round your back, tuck your chin in, and exhale completely. Inhale, look up, lift up, reach back. Exhale as you round forward, really getting every bit of air out. Inhale, thumbs turn up towards the sky. Get that stretch in your arms and your chest. Exhale, roll your hands in, roll your shoulders in to get that nice rounded stretch in your back. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, contracting. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Using long, deep breaths to pull that energy in and get yourself ready for this sequence. Getting ready for a side stretch. Right foot crosses over left. Right arm comes up and over. Left arm reaches down. Right arm reaches up. Get a really strong stretch on that right side. Switching sides. Left foot over right. Left arm comes up and over. Right arm reaches down. Left arm reaches up. Keeping that left shoulder pushing forward. Keeping your core sucked in. Switching again. Stomach sucked in. Right foot over the left. Right arm up and over. Keep your core engaged. Reach, reach, and switching again. Right over left. Right arm up and over. Right shoulder pushing forward, not collapsing, as if your body is between two panes of glass. Getting ready for a twist. Left foot goes out front, reaching left arm back. Right arm out front, right arm back. If you'd like to challenge your balance here, you can lift that left leg up off the ground. As you're reaching back, extend those fingertips for an extra stretch. Reach and look back. Switching sides, reach and look back. Core engaged this whole time. Coming back to facing forward, we're going to move through warrior 1, reaching up. Heels of both feet in one straight line. Core engaged. Open wide to warrior 2. Lifting, using that energy to transition forward to warrior 3. Using your core, spreading your toes, coming back to standing. Moving directly into warrior 1 again, stepping the left foot back, opening up warrior 2, keeping that lifted energy moving forward as you reach into your warrior 3. Balance here. Coming up to standing, moving quickly here, stepping a right foot back, lifting up tall, cactus arms pulling down as you lift up through your chest. Stabilizing that front foot, really pushing through that back leg, reaching arms up, pulling your arms down and back, strengthening your back, getting blood flowing by pumping those arms. Opening up to warrior 2, keeping that strong foundation, and lift. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Keep that stomach sucked in, core engaged. Make sure your back isn't arching. Front leg strong, back leg stable. Getting ready to move into your warrior 3. Standing up tall, lift up. Hinging forward to strengthen hamstrings. Lifting up, hinging forward, core engaged, lifting up, hinging forward. Really challenging your balance here, engaging that core strength and engaging those hamstring muscles. Arms down, getting ready for second set on the left side. Reaching up and stepping back, warrior one, lifting up through your chest, strong foundation, front foot, stable in your back foot as you bring your arms down for cactus arms and reaching back up. Down and back, down and back. Really lengthening here through your chest, lifting tall. Opening up for warrior two, keep that strong foundation, pushing through that front leg and lifting. Exhale as you come down. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, strong foundation. Inhale, power up. Keeping your breath steady, keeping your movement strong. On that strong, stable front foot, lean forward and lift into your warrior three. Very challenging balance here. Having a controlled swing from warrior three to a leg lift. Warrior three, hamstrings engaged, lifting forward, quads. Hamstring, feel the quads on that front leg. Hamstring of the standing leg. Really feeling the strength and power in your foundation. Coming back through to standing. Both feet together, keeping that energy high. Getting ready for our sun salutations. Reaching up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale. We're going to look up halfway. Exhale, stepping back. Lowering down chaturanga with an inhale, upward dog. Exhale, pushing your hips way back for downward dog, letting your chest rest towards your thighs. Looking up, walking your feet up to the front of the mat. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reaching up. Really feeling that blood pumping, feeling that energizing. Getting ready for the next round. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Get that nice strong stretch where you can feel it, where you need it. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step back. Lower down chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, stomach sucked in. Exhale, downward dog, chest melts down towards your legs. Looking forward, step forward, looking up halfway. Forward fold. Inhale, come up to standing. Beautiful, feel that energy. Ready? One more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Feeling that stretch where you need it, bending your knees if you need to. Inhale, look up halfway. Exhale, step back and lower down, chaturanga, strong core. Inhale, stomach sucked in, release back to downward dog. Chest pushes forward towards your thighs, hips tall, walking forward. Inhale, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, come up to standing. Beautiful. We're going to keep this moving. Stepping back, right foot for your warrior one. Breathing. Toes spread. Front foot strong and stable. Back foot extended. Opening up for your warrior two. Continuing to lift from your chest. Really keeping that stability in each of your legs. And circling through, reaching forward for your warrior three. Strong, stable, powerful. Your warrior here. Feet back together, moving immediately to the other side. Left foot steps back, strong and stable, grounded base, both front and back leg, lifting up, opening your arms for warrior two, continuing to keep that lifted energy. You're strong, you're powerful. Keep that strength. Take your back arm and circle it forward, reaching forward for that warrior three. Spread those toes on that standing foot. Keep that core engaged. Nice, strong, beautiful balance. Feet come back together. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, look up halfway and bend your knees. Lower all the way down and back slowly to the floor, one vertebrae at a time. Arms relax down by your side. Heels touch, toes fall open, and relax. Nice work. The sequence moved very quickly to build strength, to keep blood flowing. This is going to be the energy that follows you through your day. Relax here. Give yourself permission to release, let go. You can feel your heart beating. You can feel the blood flowing, fresh, rich, oxygenated blood flowing through your body, here to revitalize, energize, and repair. The work you did today is going to follow you and energize you through your day, through your week. Breathe here. Breathe completely. As you inhale, fill your belly, fill your chest, fill the top of your lungs. As you exhale, feel the air leave the top of your lungs first, leave your chest, and as it leaves your belly, feel your belly contract. Make sure that the breath fully fills, fully leaves. Relax here. Find peace in your energy. Breathe. As you start to come back into the room, start to wiggle your fingers and your toes, roll your wrists and your ankles. You can have a nice long stretch overhead, and gently roll over to your side and start to sit up. As you sit up, come to facing forward. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, release your hands to heart center. Namaste. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this, you can help me make some more videos by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and following me. I'm making new videos regularly, so let me know what you'd like to see more of.